2018 Ford F-150 Coyote 5.0. What we got done on it, there's the cats. Then he had a Borla system, a Borla touring system that he had put on. And it had a huge glass pack. I'll show it to you guys in a second, right in the middle, right here. We cut it out because it was way too quiet and left them the rest of the system, the Borla system, out one side right there, like that. It comes with 2-inch pipe, duals, 3-inch inlet, 2-inch outlet, or 2 1/4 actually, into 4-inch dual tips right there, as you guys can see. And we added hangers to it because the original hangers that come with this system, it was hitting on that metal brace for the tire. So we added 3 more hangers to it just to reinforce it and make it strong. There's the glass pack that was in the middle. It's a Borla too, right here. There it is. But the problem with it, sounds so quiet, man. It was like, you can't even hear it. Almost stock. And he's like, I need more sound. So we're like, we can do it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2019 Ford F-150 5.0 Lariat Coyote. What we got done on it for you boys and girls today. There's the stock converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. Then we deleted the resonator. Put a FLOWMASTER Outlaw. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Put a Y pipe. Then 2 tailpipes. FLOWMASTER is 15430. It's the power chamber edition. There it is. There'll be a link in the description for it. A link in the description for the Y pipe also. Straight out the back on each side. And then there's everything we cut off right there. Into 4-inch black tips rolled. There'll be a link in the description for them too. 2 1/2 inlet. There and there. There's the tailpipes. You guys got to always make sure they tie away the wires for the brake lines and stuff on these, as you guys can see, away from everything. There it is. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your sound decibels. Before it was not even 100 with this on there. Sounds so much better. It's open now. Go ahead and back it up. And at idle, you can actually go boom, boom. You can actually hear it a little bit more. I like the wheels too. Those are cool. FX4 Coyote 5.0 liter. Let you guys hear on the inside. It sounded like that. Yeah, that sounds good. That's FLOWMASTER Outlaw. There's sound down. 160. Woohoo! That sounds really good. Really nice deep sound, throaty, mean. I'm gonna raise them up because of the truck. Think? Let us know. I'll let you hear on the inside. Ford F-150 Coyote Borla touring system, minus the resonator.